Creo AI versus Creatify AI. Which AI tool is better? So let's find out. Number one is their features. Creo AI is focused on branding, image generation, and written content. On the other hand, Creatify AI specializes in video creation using AI, which lets you generate ads, product videos, and marketing contents quickly. Number two, their ease of use. Creo AI is simple to use, template driven, and suited for beginners, while Creatify AI is slightly more advanced but still user friendly, especially for those with marketing experience already. Number three, the output qualities. Creo creates decent images, text, and videos, but they may feel generic, while Creatify produces surprisingly polished video ads, through sometimes with robotic voiceovers if not customized well. Number four is their pricing. Creo AI is cheaper and good for small creators or startups, while Creatify AI is pricier but it gives more value for businesses needing high quality video contents. So for final verdict, if you need a quick branding and design help, you can go for Creo AI. But if your focus is video marketing, Creatify AI takes the win for you. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.